What kind of led you down that path of the PhD MD route versus just going an MD?
Yeah. Well, when I was your age, I was confused. And I had benevolent parents who allowed me to sort of explore my life. And I initially started with getting a PhD, and I'm really happy I did that, because the thinking process and the mechanics of being a PhD are very different than the mechanics of being a clinician. I think to be a good physician, one has to know how to listen. And when you're a PhD, you also have to listen, and you have to think, you have to ruminate and cultivate the ideas, because it's a different type of creative process. It's the art form of science, all right? Versus medicine, it's the art form of medicine. It's understanding, putting together things, but there's a very large data bank so that you can make the diagnosis for the appropriate patient. So they're both very different, but I'm really glad that I did both. It taught me different thinking processes, and certainly in the academic arena, it's important, since I have PhDs are employed within the department. I feel as though I'm sympathetic, empathetic, and I know how to relate to them versus an MD. Now, if I was an MD that had gone down to the NIH and spent a couple of years, I would have gained those. That's another pathway that somebody can follow to get to the same endpoint.